Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to hold your yarn when you are crocheting. So first I'm going to show you what is mostly recommended because I don't actually hold my yarn that way. I've tried recently and I think it'll take me a while to get used to holding the yarn that way. So after making your slip knot, this is your working yarn and you want your tail on this side where your hook is. And then you want to take your working yarn, you want to wrap it around your pinky and then up your pinky and then over your other two fingers and behind your forefinger and then back around. So this will provide you some tension control when you start working your stitches. Okay. So it's sliding nicely around my pinky and then around my forefinger. So it's a great way to hold your yarn. I recommend practicing that. For me personally, when I started, I didn't know that there was a way to hold your yarn. I just grab my working yarn and I wrap the yarn around my finger twice. And I don't use my pinky or anything. And then this is how I crochet. So this is what works for me. I am practicing the other way where you wrap it around your pinky. Okay, so that's a couple of ways you can hold your yarn. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I'll see you next time.